Friction surfacing, FS, coating deposition method is an advanced solid-state coating technique used for applying metallic coatings onto substrates without melting the coating material. This process enhances wear resistance, corrosion protection, and surface properties of components used in aerospace, automotive, marine, and manufacturing industries. In friction surfacing, a rotating consumable rod, coating material, is pressed against a substrate under controlled axial force. Due to frictional heat, the rod's interface reaches a plasticized state without melting. As the rod moves across the surface, a thin, metallurgically bonded coating is deposited. This process eliminates defects like porosity and cracking, common in traditional fusion-based coatings. FS allows coating a variety of materials, including aluminum, titanium, steel, and nickel-based alloys, making it ideal for repairing worn components and enhancing surface properties. Since it is an energy-efficient, eco-friendly process without harmful emissions, friction surfacing is increasingly used in industries requiring high-performance, wear-resistant coatings.